Hello my bunnies, welcome back. So today I'm going to show you how to make some caramel marshmallow bunnies. So let's get started. So first we're going to pour 1/3 cup of cold water into the bowl of an electric mixer and sprinkle some powdered gelatin on top. Let that sit for 5 minutes. Place some sugar and 1/4 cup of cold water into a small pot and set it to medium-high heat. Stir until the sugar has dissolved. Attach a candy thermometer to the pot and boil the sugar until it reaches 238 degrees Fahrenheit. So you want to watch the sugar until it just starts to brown. It may just start browning in one area, that's okay, but once that little area is a caramel color, immediately remove the pot from the heat. So we want the sugar to develop a caramel flavor. We don't want to use like artificial flavoring here, but we also don't want to overheat it to the point where it gets too dense to form marshmallows. So once it hits 238 degrees, start watching for caramel. Then remove the pot from the heat and stir until the sugar stops boiling. Add the hot sugar to the gelatin and stir the mixture by hand whisking for a few minutes to slightly cool. And you can kind of see the color of the caramel when I pour it in. My marshmallows still tasted like caramel at this point, but I'd say you could probably let it get slightly deeper. Then beat with an electric mixer on medium-high speed for 8 to 10 minutes until soft peaks form. Then you can add some vanilla bean seeds or some vanilla extract and mix until combined. I know these are caramel flavor, but the vanilla really rounds out the whole flavor of the marshmallows. Then spoon the marshmallow mixture into a piping bag and snip off the end to create a medium-sized hole. Then spray a rabbit mold generously with cooking spray. I'll have the mold as well as the entire recipe in the description box down below. Pipe the marshmallow first into the tail and ear portions and then pipe it into the rest of the body. So when you're spraying with cooking spray, you want to make sure that you're getting every little crevice, because even though this mold is super soft and stretchy, it will still stick. This marshmallow is crazy. So yes, make sure you get into each crevice, and then if you see the oil pooling, just dab it with a paper towel so that the oil is still there, but there's not just like an excess amount. Then leave the marshmallows at room temperature for about 6 hours or up to overnight until the surface of the marshmallows is no longer sticky and the marshmallows have firmed up. So these marshmallows are quite thick, so in my previous video where I made Lucky Charm marshmallows, those took shorter to set because they're so thin, but these rabbits are like quite chunky, so they will take a little bit longer. Then gently unmold the marshmallows, this is the most satisfying part, my goodness, and then set them aside on a plate that's been lightly sprayed with cooking spray, and this is going to prevent them from sticking to the plate. Then combine some cornstarch and confectioner sugar in a small bowl. Sprinkle some on your work surface and set the rabbits on top. Then place some more sugar into a mesh sieve and dust it over the top of the rabbits. And you might need to rotate them in order to get sugar on all sides. Then place the rabbits one at a time into the empty mesh sieve and just bounce them a couple times until the excess sugar has been removed. And you are done! So thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this recipe. If you would like to see my other Easter recipes that are coming soon, make sure to hit the subscribe button. And anyways, I love you guys so much, and I'll see you on Tuesday for a new video. Bye!